going to talk about the benefits of cycling. If you're excited for today's video, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel now. Do you cycle? If not, you better start doing it. And if yes, then amazing. Watch it for more tips. I'm gonna go cycling now. First, I will talk about why kids should cycle. When kids cycle, it improves their brain and body muscles. Research has shown that when kids cycle, it also boosts their confidence, especially when they do it independently. It also keeps them active when they cycle. When you start cycling on a daily or a weekly basis, you start liking it, and it also keeps your mind and body healthy. Start with 10 minutes of cycling. I cycle 5 days a week for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Benefits of cycling. Cycling can strengthen your immune system. It is also an exercise for your mental well-being. Cycling is also like your meditation. You must be wondering, meditation is keeping your eyes closed. So how does it relate to cycling? It does relate because cycling makes you feel peaceful and it is a meditation for me. When I cycle alone, I get lost in my world. It gives me immense peace. So friends, this was it for today's Fun Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye! The life skill learned is staying healthy.